Hello everyone, my name is Jamie Willett. I'm a consultant with Encryption Consulting, and today I'm going to be demonstrating how you can use Codesign Secure to sign APPX files. APPX files are files that run as applications, usually installed through the Microsoft App Store. To publish, you need a code-signed file. You'll need a code signing solution like Encryption Consulting's Codesign Secure that can manage your code signing certificates via an HSM so that you're in compliance with the latest rulings from the CAB browser form. Let's talk about the special requirements that APPX files have first. APPX files have a manifest. This manifest specifies the certificate details for the certificate that will be ultimately used to sign the APPX file. If there is mismatch or the settings are not correctly entered, you will not be able to enter into the signing process. You will get an error from Sign Tool. Sometimes this error will be confusing. If you're getting an error, I would say the first place that you should start is looking at your manifest. So let's take this demo APPX file I have on my local machine and see if I can do signing with the certificate I want to sign with. I'm going to open PowerShell. PowerShell gets from Windows SDK a special tool it can use called Make APPX. We can use Make APPX to unpack an APPX file and check the details of the XML. It'll also allow us to edit them. I'm overwriting an existing file set. Usually you would get through this with no prompts. I'm now going to the working directory where I was before and looking at my APPX demo folder. I can see there's an APPX manifest, and I'm going to look at the latest version of it. If we look, there is currently a certificate owned by the Microsoft Corporation. We can also see the publisher display name as Microsoft. My certificates are from Encryption Consulting, so I will need to modify these lines in order to be able to do signing. To figure out what we need to sign and what we need to change these with, we can look at our certificate on our build machine. Whenever we create a key or certificate with Codesign Secure, it will be downloaded to the local machine as a PEM file or CRT file, up to the user. We're going to need a PEM file for this, as that is the easiest way to get the information we need. I'm going to be working today with this J Testing Cert 72. By opening the PEM file, I can find the subject line. I'll need the information from here in order to do signing. Once I've copied this information, I can head back over to my local machine and input the information that I need. So here is my manifest, and here is the publisher information. Regardless of what it said before, you're going to need to make sure that it matches your new certificate exactly. There are a few caveats, however. First, the order from the certificate is backwards from the order that Microsoft wants things in. So first, you'll want to place at the beginning of the line your common name, or CN, followed by the organizational unit, followed by the organization itself, next the locality, followed by the state, and finally country. We're going to clean this up really quick. Now there's one additional step that needs to be done as Microsoft does not like the ST prefix. They prefer the S prefix. You will get an error if you try to compile this. Once we have things in the correct order and we've corrected the ST issue, the next step is going to be to change the publisher display name. In my case, my publisher is Encryption Consulting. We're going to update this and save the file. You'll need to be in administrator mode to save the file, so I recommend a tool like Notepad++, which allows you to enter administrator mode without reopening the application. Once we've completed this step, we're going to be able to repack the APPX file. We're going to use make APPX pack, specify the name of the package we're outputting, and the directory from which we're packing, this APPX demo directory this manifest is in. I'm getting prompted, do I want to overwrite the existing file? And I'm going to say yes. We've successfully created a package, which I can now retrieve from the working directory. I have my Hello World APPX, which has just been updated, and I'm going to take it over to my build machine now. Over in my working directory at my build machine, I will put this file and replace the existing file that I'm working with. I can now go to PowerShell or Command Prompt and run SignTool. The parameters you're going to need for SignTool are the Encryption Consulting Key Storage Provider under /CSP. You're going to need the certificate you're working with from Codesign Secure, your digest algorithm, and you will need a file path leading to a PEM version of the certificate that you're using. This will help put the details on the signed package attached to your APPX file. We can also specify a timestamp server if we wish, our other digest algorithm, and finally, the file we wish to sign, in this case, helloworld.appx. When we initiate a signing request, Codesign Secure will receive from the client machine a hash of the file we're signing. That hash will be sent over to the HSM from Codesign Secure to generate a secure digital signature. This complies with all existing standards. It also protects your keys, as your keys will never leave the HSM. Signing happens within the secure boundary of the HSM, and the signed file is returned to the client machine. Once the signed file is returned, it's packaged up with SignTool to the APPX file, and we can see that we've successfully signed the file. This has been our tutorial on how to sign APPX files. If you have any questions on code signing in general, signing APPX files, or how you can benefit from a solution like Codesign Secure, please reach out to Encryption Consulting. We can set you up with a demo or answer any questions that you have. Thanks for watching today's video. Please tune in for our next video on code signing or general security principles.